Master 3 10-watt installation manual and a helpful tips leaflet. Inside the box, you will notice that everything is kept in place securely. So now I will show you exactly what you will get. First thing you notice is that the build quality is of a very high standard, meaning extruded side rails, robust front and back aluminum frames. With the Laser Master 3 is very easy and it should take about 30 minutes to. Most important part of all this is the 10-watt laser module. It's a lot smaller and lighter than I expected. How did they get all that power into something this small? Next, connector, power connector in USB port. The inside of the SD card slot, input-output connector, main wiring connector, and the wire motor connector. On the front, we see the on-off power button, safety key lock, and emergency stop button. On the back frame, the rotary enable disable switch. Below that, the rotary cable socket. Now that makes life so much easier. Shots, you can clearly see the build quality and attention to detail, and the main X and Y axis laser module movement over the Laser Master 2 Pro. Main drive belt, Wi-Fi antenna, air assist, and thumb screw for the laser vertical adjustment. Now, USB cable, power cable, the air assist tubing which goes to the air pump, pump not included. The laser glasses which can now fit over my prescription glasses and not restrict my viewing. And they also kill all blue light. Bonus! Here for unit, very handy little storage box and some more cables to be connected. For sure it will come in handy.